And I did it a bit too fast. I peed in my pants. A bit. Excellent. Dropping down. We've already won. We've already won. I have no idea where we are. Ah, there's the tracks. Didn't go as well as planned.
There was a plan?
Yes. Yeah, well, I forgot to tell you about it.
Medic's down.
Oh, we're boned. Oh, no.
You're fine if you stop the point. Just stop the point.
Jump on it. Spy is engineer.
Oh, that's the snipe on the point.
Ah, nearly got it.
Oh, god damn.
I think we just got raped.
Oh, man.
Oh! Hello! Medic down.
There you go. Just
go
use
for
your
it.
health. Use
Kill
your
them
health,
all and push the car forward. They don't have a medic. Excellent. Excellent job, team. 40 seconds. We're gonna do it.
40 golden seconds.
Yes, we are. We're gonna win this.
Heck yeah.
Go, team!
We can help push it, guys.
Yeah, you guys need to push it.
Come in.
Bam the spawn door.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Get on the point. Get on this with us, demo.
Everybody just needs to be on it right now.
Oh.
Oh, shit! Oh no!
Oh, man.
You guys weren't on it, man.
Oh!
I got blown away.
I saw Darn coming up. I'm like, oh, nice, we're gonna get this. And he plus forwards. I'm like, no.
Well, that was close. Apparently, both teams are shit defending. Oh, finally. A map I know. Bad water, my friend. My good friend, bad water. Oh, man, I love that Elvis hat. Of hair. Who had it? Ant Colony. Awesome. It's like the best thing in TF2. Though not as good as Towering Pillar of Hats. I think the description says it all. You are as presumptuous as you are poor and Irish. Tarnish not the majesty of my Tower of Hats. It's so awesome. I've got 2 of them. I need more. Anyone wanna trade? Should we just make a Uber and fall back?
I'm down for that.
As
go for the victory.
Like superior tactic, yeah. Go for the victory. You'll just run like a pussy.
I'm more about just like Ubering directly when they come out and making it interesting, but I'm down.
Oh yeah, we can do that also. So let's do it the Conan the Barbarian style. Rush M with Uber. Yeah.
Who's at the top again? Wow. I blame Darn. Everyone should blame Darn, right?
Oh, darn.
Yeah. Must say one of the easiest games I've ever played. Oh, my phone. You know. Yes.
You know, there's this thing called WD-40.
WD-40.
Yes, it's for smithings that are squeaky.
What? Can't really hear you from all the squeaking. Yesterday, all my troubles were so far away. Here to stay. Man, Beatles is awesome. I'm getting quite drunk. You ain't gonna do any difference with Skull.
Yeah, still gonna be highest points, I know.
Bet my ass, you ain't. Like, just give the medic railgun. I'll promise they'll play more medic on publics. Don't sigh. Going pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh shit.
Spy is still going.
Not anymore. Not so good.
Spy them.
We leave the point. NX. You can
Yo.
do it. Let's kill them
Alright.
all. Let's
do
kill
this.
them all.
Let's
Get the
go!
heavy.
I'm stuck in midair!
Friends.
Well, they even.
We basically lost the advantage, dude. I wouldn't rush it.
No, we still have it.
Medic's right
No,
here. Oh,
no, we
later,
don't.
bro.
No, we don't. We had it for a while.
Why is he have these 5 health?
Car face! Like, fuck. Car.